In this app we will learn how to measure resistance, how to read the value of a resistor connected to the analog input of Arduino and send it to the Bluetooth module. But first we need to set the Bluetooth module to master. Before settings, it is necessary to set up this circuit first. In the Bluetooth projects we need to determine in which role the HC05 module will work. If we are only going to receive data from the Android application, the Bluetooth module should be set in the slave role. If the Android application will only receive data, the role of the Bluetooth module should be set to master like a sender. We connected the power cord. In order to make slave or master settings, we need to switch the Bluetooth module to the setting mode. We remove the power cable of the Bluetooth module. While holding down the small button on it, we reconnect the power cable. The way the LED on the module lights up changes. We went into setup mode. We set my serial baud to 38,400. This speed is the setting speed of the Bluetooth module. In the Tools menu, we click on the serial port. At plus role, we learn the current role with the command. We see that it is in role 0E slave mode. We set the role of the Bluetooth module as master by typing at plus role equals 1 and pressing enter. Now we will be able to receive data with our mobile app, because the master like sender setting to the Bluetooth module. The voltage falling on the resistor we connect to measure is read with the analog read function. With the resistance calculation formula, the resistance is calculated and assigned to the Rx variable. Rx value is converted to string. In these lines, the string value is converted to char type and assigned to the variable buff. The value of the buff variable is sent to the Bluetooth module with my serial.write. With the receive data function, we will receive the data sent from the Bluetooth module. The timer function works like a clock. As long as we specify, it runs the receiver data function at every step. In this section, you can see the codes of the buttons. There is also a text object.